Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. That's me, I am Brian. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thanks for taking a little bit of time out with me today. Today, I'm gonna talk about Live Bearded. Live Bearded is one of the biggest, one of the best known beard companies out there. And kind of in line with a lot of these other beard companies, they went in, they shuffled the deck, they changed things around, they're rebranding. Everybody seems to be doing this rebranding. What's the big deal? I'll tell you what the big deal is: progress. Why stand still when you can move forward? Let's talk about the new Live Bearded beard butter and beard oil I picked up. Kick the intro! Alright guys and gals out there, if you're new to the channel, I would hope that you consider subscribing down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys like the content that's in my videos. Check out my beard videos, check out my music reviews, if you like what's going on, do me a huge favor, hit the like button. Enough of that. Let's talk about this Live Bearded. Those of you that have been following my channel know that I'm a big fan of Live Bearded. I've done a couple reviews on their products before. They always have super high quality stuff. I love their website. I think it's super interactive. I love their little videos that they give once you order a product. These are a group of guys that you can tell really have a passion for what they do, and they've decided to go out and step it up a notch, rebrand, new labels, same ingredients but better quality of those same ingredients, and change it up a little bit. I had to get my hands on it. I know I'm a little bit late on this review and a lot of people have already done the review on the rebrand and stuff, but I wanted to give you guys my opinion. I've been getting into the beard butters a lot lately. I think not too long ago I just did a review on the Executive. Used to come in a container that looked like this, guys. Now this is a 4-ounce container. Crack it open. The consistency of this beard oil is just a little bit tougher. You can see how I kind of have to peel it out to get it out a little bit. Well, not anymore, guys. It is new, it is improved. Let me show you. Just show you kind of what that top looks like on the old one. Well, I went out and I picked up the Wingman. That is the Wingman. It is now a 3-ounce container. Give you a little tour of the tub there. Something to be kind of aware of with this rebrand, guys, is that now there are 3-ounce containers. You can pick up a 3-ounce container for $20. If you want to know one of my cons, I'll give you the con right up front. This was a 4-ounce container. For how much? For $20. The old container here, this is a double wall. There's a wall inside and there's a wall outside. And in between here, it's just air. So as far as how much is truly in here, is it truly 4 ounces? I don't know. I've never done the math. I'm not gonna scoop it out here and put it on a scale and tell you. But when you advertise a 4-ounce container and then you change it up and you make it a 3-ounce container, you'd expect the price to go down a little bit. However, the good news is that they have upped the game with their ingredients. And check out how silky and smooth this is. I'm gonna get my finger in here and I'm just gonna pull it out and you can see how nice and just, it almost melts as soon as it hits the hand, guys. Nice consistency. I would say it's like a very soft butter. Like when you take the butter out of the fridge, let it sit on the counter and it kind of starts to soften up. That's exactly what this consistency is, guys. Very smooth, just absolutely silky smooth. Feels so nice in the beard. Now, what I will say about this stuff is when it goes in, it's almost like a beard pomade. At least for me, and maybe that's because I have a shorter beard. You can almost see how you have to comb it out, and stupid me, I forgot my comb, but it just goes in and this will stick with you throughout the day. The Wingman is orange, clove, and vanilla, and it smells awesome. I'm gonna say as far as scent goes, it's a very strong scent. It's gonna be a 6 to 8 to maybe even longer scent. And it's gonna be the same thing with the beard oil. And we'll talk about the beard oil here in just a second. Very nice feel in the beard, guys. Very nice scent. Now, if you are not into the stronger scents, you know, I would compare it to the scents of like Artius Man. They're known for their thicker beard oil because of the castor oil that they use in their beard oil. Of course, I'm talking about beard butter right now, but just as far as the scent goes, it's a strong scent like that. So if you're not into that kind of thing, you might want to check out one of their other beard butters and beard oils. Check out one of their other scents, because I'm going to tell you, this is a strong scent. Now, this is a very good scent. I'm not usually into the very heavy, like in-your-face scents. I like kind of a medium scent, and I'm more, as you guys know, kind of a cologne scenty kind of guy, although I have been trying to broaden my horizons. This is very nice. The one thing I will say about the Wingman is I get a lot of that clove. I'm not huge on the clove, but that vanilla, and that orange comes through and it smooths it all out. It's very nice, guys. Ingredients in this thing. So citrus, clove, and vanilla is the scent profile. I know I said orange before, but it's actually citrus. You got your shea butter, you got your coconut oil, your jojoba oil, avocado oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, and essential oils for fragrance. And it's just so silky and it's so smooth and it's awesome. $20 for a 3-ounce can of this, and it's super good, guys. Let's talk about the beard oil. So right here, guys, I have a bottle of the Executive beard oil. This is the way that their beard oil bottles used to come. You can see it's almost kind of a rectangular cube bottle, which I actually, upon my first review, thought this was super unique. It's got this metal cap on here and it has the restrictor cap on the top. So with the rebrand, guys, here's what the new bottle looks like. You can see they went to a black label. It's a round bottle, very cool. This is a plastic black top, still with the restrictor cap, and I think it's pretty cool. You guys can see there, it's got this little notch right there where, of course, where it comes out, right? Nice, sleek, black. But what's very cool, I don't know if you guys can see on the inside here, but there's a little notch right in the middle, and it fits right in that hole. So you're not gonna get any spillage outside of the bottle. Very cool looking bottle. The scent is amazing. Let me just go back to the beard butter here for a second. The thing that I really like about it is with the older beard butter, you got this kind of almost Play-Doh-y kind of scent from the shea butter in it. The new stuff, that's gone, guys. With the beard butter, they're using the same ingredients before, but they've stepped it up to a better quality of each one of those ingredients. And that's gonna be the same with this beard oil. Same ingredients that they used before, but they've stepped up the quality of those ingredients. I think it's helped with the beard butter to get rid of that kind of shea butter, Play-Doh-y kind of smell. Your beard butter and your beard oil smell exactly the same. If you're one of those guys out there that really like to pair up their beard oil with their beard butter, you're not gonna find much of a difference between the scents in either one of these, so it's pretty awesome. Ingredients for the beard oil, let me go back to my cheat sheet here. Argan, jojoba, grapeseed, essential oils for fragrance. So pretty much all the classics in there, guys. These guys do a great job of combining ingredients to make wonderful scents. They have a multitude of products on their website. I am an affiliate. I'll put a link down below. If you guys decide to hit the link, it doesn't cost you guys any bit more if you purchase anything, but I do get a little bit of a kickback. Helps out with the channel, helps me do cool stuff with the channel and stuff like that, so you'd be supporting me and the family. Or just go to their website on your own and check it out for yourselves. I don't care if you hit the link or not, but I'll put it down, make it easier for you. I'm a huge fan of these guys. I'm just loving everything they're doing. I think they're making the right moves, growing the company, rebranding for growth. A lot of times people hear rebrand and they get scared and they're like, oh, what's going on with this company? Why do they have to rebrand? Are they in trouble? Nah, not these guys. These guys were chugging right along and they were like, no, you know what? This ain't good enough. We can do better. And that's what they've done. They went out, they've stepped up their game. I think they're doing better. I think they've made really good decisions. Just like the postcard says that they send with you, it's a bold new look, richer fragrances, and improved formulas. So you can't go wrong there, guys. Hey, and they also sent me this badass sticker that I can throw on with my collection of stickers in my Harley cabinet over there. So that's pretty awesome. I hope you guys found this review informative. Go check out Live Bearded. Like I said, I'll drop the link below. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that like button. If you stuck through the video this long, I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing to the channel, share it with your friends. Hit me up with a comment down below. I try to respond to every one of the comments. I love getting the comments. I love reading through. I love this little community that we're starting to grow here on Brian's Badass Reviews. What do you guys think? Have you tried the new stuff? Do you like it compared to the old stuff? Do you like it better? Do you like it worse? You've never tried it? You're gonna try it? Let me know. Hit me up in the comments, guys. That's all I got for the review today. You know what I like to say. You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace.